Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to add an accordion element to Wix Studio. First, go ahead and log into your Wix account. Once inside, click on Edit Side on the website that you want to add an accordion element. Now, once inside the editor, click on this plus sign at the left panel to add an element and choose Layout Tools. Here you can choose now on accordions and click on the element that you want to add according to your site. Here I'm gonna choose this one and drag it to the section where I want to put it. Now you can click on it, and on the right panel you can change its background color. Just choose one that matches your site. You can also go ahead and click on text and change its color. You can also go ahead and stretch it to fit your website size. And if you click on Manage Items, you will see your categories. When you click on these three dots, you can rename it according to your liking. For example, I'm gonna name it as Who Are We? And just click on Done. Now here, you can click on this element and change the title for it. You can also add in a description for it. Now just click on this image and click change image for you to upload your own one. You can also click on the background and add a media to add a picture background for it. Then for the text, you can also add in a background for it to be visible. Now if you go ahead and click on manage items again, you can do the same customization to your other categories. And that's just basically it. That's how you add an accordion element to your Wix Studio. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.